trailer is so bright. Proper wheelie. Proper wheelie है भाई. Wheelie अबे wheelie. हाँ?
Lovely.
Wheelie.
Why did you pick the GS F900?
It felt like very comfortable. It felt like I already owned the bike from a long time. It was felt even easier than riding a T120. So
Okay.
yeah,
Is it because this is more ADV focused?
more ADV focus,
Long.
for my height.
Okay, yeah. So the T120 was a little uncomfortable for you, right? Because you were not able to keep your legs straight.
2 hours at a point, knees start paining. You want to stand up, stretch your back, and the air blast was too much in the front. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now next question. What is the next question? What are the bikes did you consider before getting this F900?
So I wanted to test drive all of them. Thanks to Gautam, I at least did the test drive for Transalp, and that felt again very similar. Very easy to ride, even though it is at a height. Good power, good ergonomics. Triumph Tiger, long time back I had driven it. It was pretty smooth, easier, but to be honest, I didn't want to go the Triumph route again.
Why? I'm offended.
Once with, there are so many options. Why not give it a try? Of course. And it's very common as well. This was something which was launched new in the market. Felt like right size, right thing. And of course, the biggest thing is value for money. It's coming with everything fixed.
Excellent.
In a week, I have really not felt like putting on anything more. Yeah, already sold one.
So what is your, thanks Abhay, what is your favorite feature of this bike so far? From the 3 days that you have ridden?
3 days that I've ridden. Favorite feature is the, as of now it is the seating comfort, the riding triangle as they say, the power, the seating, everything accessible. I'm already used to the whole Wonder Wheel cruise, scrolling and all of that even while move. So that just tells you, right, that it's all very comfortable and feels like home.
Nice, lovely. So now tell me, what is one thing that you would change in this bike, given the opportunity? Is there something that you think that can be, could have been done better?
Make it an inline 4.
Say again?
Make it an inline 4, but yeah, that's too much to ask. I don't know, at 5'10" could have been a little shorter, maybe 800 mm, 800, yeah, seat height of 800, that would have been better. Otherwise, no, all good, no changes so far.
Lovely.
A little intimidating, but very comfortable on the move, very nimble. Drove it in the peak traffic as well, did not feel any discomfort or that, fear that, oh, something might happen or it's just too huge and things like that.
Something that my viewers constantly ask is, I have very few viewers, but something that they constantly, all my viewers are right here in this frame, approximately 5 of them. How is the city comfort? How do you find it? You said that it's very nimble. Is it really comfortable in the city? Do you find any heating issues?
There is heat, I wouldn't deny it. There was one point along the legs, lower legs, where you can feel the heat, but definitely you cannot ride it without a pant or riding gear, so you will feel the heat after some time. But it gets dissipated, that's the thing. It's not like it is going to stay at a hot area for a very long time.
Okay. So another popular question, how much mileage do you get in this bike?
So far it is about 20-25 I think I'll easily be able to get. This is a 23 litre tank, but close to 25, so I'm hoping to get at least a good 500 km plus range. on the full tank. But yeah, riding with full tank is something that everybody has to learn, because huge tank will have its own problems while riding in terms of balance.
How was the buying experience? How was the service in BMW?
Actually pretty good. I waited for about a month. I booked it around first week of Feb, when they still had a lot of stocks. There's only one showroom across Karnataka or across Bangalore. So a month, and I was promised delivery. I wanted it before end of March, so I got it by first week of March. In fact, end of February bike was ready. I delayed it by another week or 10 days to get it. But good buying experience from BMW.
Comments before you wrap this up. Any suggestions or anything?
It's just been less than a week that I've got. Maybe, Surya, we can do this interview 6 months or a couple of months down.
Yeah.
Hopefully one long or a couple of long trips
Yep.
together, or on the bike, and we can see what's working, what's not working.
Yeah, let's do one after all the seasons.
Yeah.
Winter, rain, all of it.
Sounds good. Monsoon is coming up, so
Yeah. Perfect.
awesome. Thanks, Surya.
Thank you so much.